Just like a child who trusts his father dear, and who delights to feel his presence near. Just like a child whose mind has not a doubt, and whose heart is never proud. Here I come, oh Lord. Here I come just like a child. Here I come, oh Lord. Here I come just like a child. Just like a child, so weak he cannot stand, but to hold firm and tight his mother's hand. Just like a child who sings in bright delight, fearing not the long dark night. Here I come, oh Lord. Here I come just like a child. Here I come, oh Lord. Here I come just like a child.
I commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID-appropriate behaviors. To always wear a mask or a face cover, especially when in public places. To maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others. To wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together, we will win this fight against COVID-19.
Today's thought for the day: push yourself because no one else is going to do it for you.
It's a time to come together. From the east and west we gather. Be it north or south, don't matter. As DB's kids we matter. Children the young, Don Bosco's pride. God's own hand to solely guide. Growing by virtues but steady, learning forever good. Ready, hey, 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 hey.
Hi, good morning. Today's vocabulary word is fascinated. This is an adjective. Example: I have always been fascinated by other cultures. Definition: attention and interest, or curious of someone. I repeat my vocabulary word once again. Fascinated. This is an adjective. Example: I have always been fascinated by other cultures. Definition: attention and interest, or curious of someone. Thank you.